Hello everyone, we're back. This is our third Kickstarter campaign after two previous successful campaigns. In those two previous campaigns, we raised over $150,000 in pledges. We want to thank you for your past support, and we're looking forward to your continued support with a great new product we have. It's the patent-pending Bad Boy Rooftop Tent Lift by RollnJack. It's a one-person rooftop tent removal, storage, and installation device. After watching YouTube videos and listening to customers having difficulty removing, storing, and installing a rooftop tent, I then decided to invent the Bad Boy Lift. The Bad Boy Lift incorporates the same principles as all the other RollnJack products. Fast and easy assembly, fully adjustable to accommodate different vehicle heights. It can accommodate SUVs, compact SUVs, Jeep Wranglers, and Ford Bronco 6 generations. Requires very little strength to lift and install your rooftop tent. Please note the first time you put on your rooftop tent, it will require multiple people to install it. After that, it becomes a one-person operation. Space efficient. You can park your vehicle underneath it. With heavy-duty caster wheels, it's mobile, and two of the caster wheels have safety brakes. You won't have 150 pounds on your rooftop, and there's also not going to be air resistance. The Bad Boy Lift will pay for itself in savings on gas mileage. From a hand sketch to a fully functioning product, it took about 8 months. The Bad Boy Lift will be launched on Kickstarter on June 18th. We have a super early bird special, a price of $495 with the MSRP at $949.99. That's almost a 50% savings. The $12,900 pledge goal will be used for tooling, jigs, fixtures, and go-no gauges in the production process. That way we can consistently produce an intolerance, high-quality product. Right now we have a great core team. Without them, frankly, we wouldn't be here where we are today. A big shout out to our customers. Without you, none of this ever happens. Please subscribe on RollnJack.com in order to get notified of the product launch. Experience outdoor freedom anytime with the one-person Bad Boy Rooftop Tent Lift removal, storage, and installation device.